Welcome to the most comprehensive review of the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop yet. I'm about to put this powerhouse through its paces and show you what it's really capable of. But before we dive in, I want to ask a question. Can a gaming laptop truly make your gaming experience feel like a whole new level? With the rise of gaming laptops, it's becoming increasingly difficult to separate the wheat from the chaff. But the latest iteration of the ASUS ROG Strix G16, featuring a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13980HX processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU, and up to 16 gigabytes of DDR5-4800 MHz memory, is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let's explore why. Firstly, traditional gaming laptops were often crippled by heat issues, causing frames to drop and games to stutter. But the ASUS ROG Strix G16 comes with a revolutionary cooling system that tackles these problems head-on. Dubbed ROG Intelligent Cooling, this innovative technology allows the laptop to dynamically adjust fan speeds based on usage, ensuring that your system stays cool and quiet while you crush your enemies. But before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the aesthetics. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 looks sleek and futuristic in its Eclipse Gray finish, a color scheme that exudes a sense of sophistication and class. The laptop's magnesium-aluminum alloy chassis exudes a premium feel that's evident the moment you take it out of the box. And with a durable magnesium-aluminum alloy that provides strength and rigidity, you can be assured that this system can withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. But what about the display? You'll be blown away by the breathtaking visuals on this 16-incher, featuring an aspect ratio, a 240 Hz refresh rate, and a 3 milliseconds response time. Games and movies look crystal clear and vibrant, with precise color accuracy and an impressive range of colors. Add to that a 720p HD camera, and you get a comprehensive feature set that supports online multiplayer, video conferencing, and more. Now, let's dive deep into the tech specs of this beast. Powering the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is the newly introduced 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13980HX processor, offering up to 5.3 GHz of processing speed and 24 threads of multitasking capability. With 16 gigabytes of DDR5-4800 MHz memory paired with a 1 TB PCIe SSD, you can expect silky smooth transitions between games, apps, and multimedia content. Plus, with the RTX 4070 graphics card delivering 140W max TGP, you'll enjoy the best in ray tracing and DLSS, deep learning supersampling tech. But what about battery life? Unfortunately, you're better off keeping your expectations in check here, as the ASUS ROG Strix G16 has a relatively modest 90 Wh battery. However, this isn't unusual for gaming laptops in its class, and the system's sheer power will often be worth the compromise. In our hands-on testing of the ASUS ROG Strix G16, we ran a range of demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, and Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 2. The system delivered stellar performance across all games with minimal dropped frames or visual stutters, thanks to its robust 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor and high-end RTX 4070 graphics card combo. However, we do want to mention that the laptop's aggressive cooling system did lead to some noticeable fan noise under high loads. While the fans were quiet when idle or lightly loaded, intense gaming sessions or benchmark runs would activate the high-speed fan profile, making some noise. That being said, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker for serious gamers used to the trade-offs with top-tier gaming laptops. Here are the key pros and cons of the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. Pros: a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13980HX processor delivering exceptional performance and multitasking capabilities, up to 240 Hz refresh rate display for smooth gaming, robust 1 TB PCIe SSD storage for seamless app transitions, and game loading, advanced ROG Intelligent Cooling System, comprehensive connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6 icons. Limited battery life, aggressive cooling system resulting in fan noise under high loads. Priced competitively at around $2,200 compared to alternatives in this price range. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is one of the most compelling options available. It offers superior performance, a more comprehensive feature set, and improved build quality, making it an excellent choice for serious gamers looking for a top-tier gaming laptop. So there you have it. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is a must-have gaming laptop for any serious gamer looking to elevate their gaming experience. With an unparalleled combination of raw power, a feature-rich display, and robust cooling system, this laptop is designed to provide you with the ultimate gaming experience. Now, if you're looking to take your gaming to the next level, it's time to experience the ASUS ROG Strix G16 for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting to explore the world of PC gaming, this laptop is sure to provide the thrill and excitement you crave.